This is a project of ZAMIN Academy. For personalized one-on-one tutoring, contact us by clicking the link in the video's description or our bio.
Hello and welcome to ZAMIN Academy. Today I'm going to solve writing passage number 3 of IELTS. It's got questions from 26. It's got questions from 29 to 40. Yes, so this is going to be the hardest passage. It's going to take me 20 minutes to solve. Actually, it's going to take me 16 minutes, but 4 minutes are for transferring my answer from this sheet to the real answer sheet. So let's start without wasting any time. So this is the paragraph. I'm not going to read the whole paragraph. I'm just going to go towards the question and let's see what are the question and find the keywords. So complete the table below using information from reading passage. Write no more than 3 words for each passage. Write your answer in boxes 29, 35 on your answer. Okay, number 1. Okay, 29. Hmm. 29, we have to find the building material before 18th century. What was the building material in 18th century? Steel, glass, and concrete. No, it's actually for the 19th century. Okay, so 18th century. Before 18th century, the timber, stone, and okay. So why I was caught up so much that I wasn't able to even find the answer. So timber and stones. Okay. So in 30 introduction, okay, style of period. So it's going to be advanced or scientific, I guess. I'm not even able to find the answer. This is difficult. Latest technology. Introduction of latest technology. Now it's number 31. The style of period is from 1930s, 1950s. International style. (1960s). The decline of 1960s is 32, and we're gonna look for 1960s. Okay, where is 1960s? Okay. Column most low class high pricing. So what is the right word to add? Commercial ideas on every large British city built multi-story building housing tendencies, mass-produced, low-cost, high-rises seem to offer a solution to the problem of housing growing in a city problem, but far from meeting human needs. The new estate often proved to be windswept deserts lacking essential social facilities and services. Many of these buildings were poorly designed and constructed have since been demolished. So what is the right word to add here? What is the characteristics? Poor development. Let's add poor development. Okay, number 33. End of modernist era, traditional building, 1970s. Preservation of historic buildings. I think so. That's the answer. Preservation. The beginning, 1970s is the beginning of which era? Try that again. Um, high tech. High tech era. So 35. So postmodernism, and the buildings are. Is there any mention of 1980s? So this is the mention of. environment friendly. So 35 are done. We are back with the last 5 and we got way less time. So describe the number of cases and effect relation. Make each cause in list with its effect. More effects in list speed than you. Okay, so 36. A rapid movement of river from rural estate is triggered by technological advance. Okay. Hmm. So I'm gonna go with 36 as A. Building becomes simple and functional. Okay, now an economic depression and the Second World War hit. It was in the period of 1940s, right? Multi-story housing estates are built according to contemporary ideas on town planning.
Thank you for watching. Book your free demo lecture now. For more free videos, support us by subscribing to this channel.